Good morning, guys. It's Kevin here at Tranquility Escapes, and today we are in Bellmore, Long Island, and we're building our Serenity Pondless pack. So right now he has this about 2 foot high retaining wall all the way around. So what we're going to do is actually go about 6 feet to the sides, cut this out, remove that section of retaining wall, and put our Aqua Basin 45 right into that corner. We're going to snug it up right to this pavers, sink it in. So when it's finished, you're going to just have gravel and pavers. It's going to be nicely disguised. We're going to start construction of our Pondless Waterfall right up here. We're going to be removing most of the soil right around here where this Buddha statue is, and we're going to carve this waterfall right into this landscape. When we're done building, we're going to be transforming this area into this. So we're officially done. This Pondless Waterfall came out absolutely fantastic. The way we were able to cut into this retaining wall and just kind of sneak it in between the retaining wall, and we got the basin nice and flush with the patio. It is a great addition to this living space right now. We're about to get the homeowners and get their reaction, see what they think of this Pondless Waterfall, because let me tell you, if I had this in my backyard, I would love it.
You guys ready?
Oh yeah. Oh,
God. So beautiful.
Come out.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, come closer.
Yeah, come closer.
We don't bite.
Aww.
Yeah.
And that's absolutely perfect sound.
Right?
Happy with the sound? That's
Yeah.
great.
That's perfect.
It's beautiful.
That is exactly right.
You guys are ready relaxing?
I know. All I need is a sleeping bag.
Where's the drink?
They're inside.
Drinking now.
There you go.
They're
You gotta come.
inside. Oh my God. Isn't that pretty how it winds?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Is this what you guys expected?
Yeah, this is great. This is great.
It's beautiful.
Any regrets?
No, not at all.
No. Regrets.
Huge transformation from what we did this morning, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm actually back here in a few months after we built this waterfall. I'm actually here to close out and winterize this waterfall for the winter season. It is November. It is the end of the season. As you can see, most of the furniture is already packed away and everything. So we're just here to close it out and obviously take videos for you guys. But the first thing when I walk into this backyard, I hear that water and I see that little waterfall. And man, what a huge difference it made in this space. I truly think the smallest waterfalls actually make the biggest difference, and I don't really think we could have added anything more to this thing to make it better. Flipping you guys around, if you guys remember from the beginning, this was actually just a wood retaining wall just like this all the way around here. We actually chopped away this section right here and nestled in this little pondless waterfall. I don't know if you guys hear it that well, but this thing has such a nice sound, and it really transformed this whole living area. They have this modern travertine stone on the pool deck and on this patio over here, and this is where they hang out a lot of the year. So adding this sound of water and just this element over here, it really takes this living space up a notch. As always, stay tuned because I got some beauty shots for you guys. So what do you guys think about that transformation? As always, drop a comment down below if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, I don't know. Give me a thumbs down. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, everything. If you guys didn't know, I actually am the one who edits and does all these videos on my off time, which is not a lot. On the off time, I'm not doing maintenance or building. I'm working on making these videos for you. So sorry for the infrequent uploads, but I'm sure the videos will be coming to you a lot sooner during the winter.